gonna be rough.
It's over here.
It's gonna be a rough one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm already getting wet. What is up, guys, and welcome back. In this episode, we are still up in Buffalo, New York, fishing Lake Erie. And actually, on this day, we had 25 to 40 mile-per-hour winds pretty much all freaking day. So we pretty much sat around most of the day watching the wind blow. Actually went and bought a couple new rods. Jake went for a jog. I mean, it was just, Lake Erie was unfishable. We had like 6-foot waves crashing over the little rock barriers they have to protect the harbor. And the harbor itself was just, I mean, there was like 4 or 5 foot rollers and even breakers inside the harbor. So completely unfishable. They weren't even letting people launch the boats. We had to wait till 7 p.m. and we finally got out there. Still, even at 7 p.m., the wind was still blowing really hard and waves were still crashing over the rock barriers and stuff. But we were able to hide from the wind long enough to catch a few fish. And my dad actually ended up catching a really good one. Really nice fish. If you're new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button. But alright, we're gonna dive right into the video. Stay tuned. Can you imagine we would have tried earlier?
Where are we going?
I guess so. I mean, I don't know. We're not gonna die.
I want to,
Ain't bad at all, boys.
It looks like he just died a lot, though.
I don't see any white caps anymore.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna hit bottom.
First cast. First cast. No.
I think he got off the boat.
No, that's not white cap. No. Damn, you had one though.
Yeah,
sure.
I set the hook too. I mean, the boat was
shit. Okay, wasn't recording, boys, but I got one. Found me one. Weren't sure if there's gonna be fish here. We're hiding from the wind. It's really not a bad fish either. It's really not bad. I will take it. New rod too. Okay, come on, you're coming in. Not bad. Don't you try to break my new rod, I'll kill you. Ah, God. You've just been watching the wind blow for, oh, you know what? All day, 12 hours. I took a nap. We ate all kinds of terrible food. Jake went for a jog. I finally caught a fish today. There, bro. Dad's got one on the crank now.
I saw it.
Is it huge?
It's sexy.
Is it? We don't have a net.
Oh,
my.
Fish of the trip.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Barely
We don't have a net.
barely hooked. Dude.
Oh my God.
I'm going in for it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Dad. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
I saw it when it jumped.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, he's barely hooked. Why don't we have a net?
If you go in his mouth, you gotta.
If I get in his mouth, I'm gonna get hooked. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm trying not to horse it.
This is like a 6-pound fish.
Trying not to horse it.
Good Lord, guys.
That's on belly flop in the sun over there.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh, it's so big.
It's just one hook. It's not that long. He's just really fat.
It's pretty long too.
Look how fat he is.
Yeah, it's gonna be 5. Oh God, I'm so scared.
He's good. So he's trying to tell us.
Okay. Oh God, oh God. This is so scary. Because where he's hooked is not good. Hold on.
You're gonna grab him.
Oh God.
I'll go in his mouth. I don't care if the hook gets me.
No, you don't want to get hooked. Here.
There you go. Ready?
Yes. That's a stud.
That's pretty the best.
He looked bigger, but it's still big.
Bigger. Let's see.
Oh my God, it's just in like a piece of skin. How'd you hook him like that? Here's a little pro tip for you guys. Make sure you bring a net. That's a beautiful fish.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. There you go. I want to chill for a little bit.
That's some excitement.
Yeah.
He belly flopped in the sun.
Oh,
I knew it was a good one.
You said, oh, that's a pig. I couldn't even see it. I couldn't see it.
He looked huge. Oh my God, Jake. Pike? Oh, Oh, it's a monster! It's a monster! What's up with your knots, bro?
I think I'm fraying it on stuff.
That was a pig. Yeah. That might have been bigger than one you just caught.
Yeah.
How tight's your drag? Yes, I'm gonna commit to the crank, boys. That's not a bad one.
Look how dark he is. Beautiful.
Yes, I'm gonna commit to the cranks. You guys showed me. It's weird they're not getting them in their mouth though.
Yeah, he's looks good. This one here looks good.
Not a bad one. You guys are catching them on the cranks. We'll have to start throwing them. Oh yeah. There you go. It's a monster, guys. He's a little bigger than I thought he was actually, but he ain't big. He's not bad actually. Alright, you're caught. You're caught. Chill, chill, chill. Don't.
Do it.
He's trying to hook me. Chill out, bud. You're making it worse for yourself. You're really ripping a hole in the side of your head. It's number 2 for me. It's getting dark quick. I'll take it, I guess. On the crank. Think we should go up to that wall? Holy shit. What you got? Oh, a drum on a crank? What the hell? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Can you imagine being on this outside right now?
If you timed it right on a jet ski, you might be able to
just hop over. Shortcut. Oh my god.
My crank did. No, got one. You were just reeling in, weren't you?
No, I was trying to turn my camera off.
Crank? Oh, I guess you picked the black guy.
Feels kind of weird. I don't know if it's a drum or something else. Oh, I'll never know. I don't think that was a drum. It wasn't a smallmouth though. There's a hit. There he is. Right when we turn. Slowly. Right when we turned the boat. Well, take it.
I'm taking that boat road back.
I got my thumb on.
Definitely like his runs.
Yeah.
Not bad. Oh. Well, managed to salvage an episode somehow. After dicking around all day.
Episode each day.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh, we got doubles? We got doubles now? Is it a drum? Oh man, what the hell's that thing? Later, bro.
Really doesn't have to be this.
God. Oh no. Oh no, Jake.
Hey, how about you run it down? I'll pull the boat in.
Come in on the other side then, Jake. Let it blow you in on the other side.
Get out here, Waze, and turn around and come in. My God. Never want you comfortable.
Let me jump in just from the shore.
This isn't even blown out.
It is spinning it pretty bad.
You want me to pull the boat up on a
I don't get it. I can pull the boat up.
yeah, I'm wondering.
You're not as nimble as you used to be. I can't just slam you in there anymore.
You need to get your nobility back, Dad. Is that a word?
You'll be on the same side of the dock that we were on?
He's gonna. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is he's
Go to
gonna.
the back of the boat. What's gonna happen is the boat's gonna. You can do it.
What do you want?
You got it. You're driving. Because if I point that way,
Are you gonna go pull the truck down?
yes, you're gonna have fun watching me do that.
Look at Dad's experience. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, we were worried we weren't even going to get the fish on this day, and we had to wait clear until 7 p.m. We actually got up at 5:30 a.m. thinking we could fish, and got to the ramp and realized there was no way in hell we were putting a boat out there. So yeah, didn't get out till 7 p.m. Fished for like 2 hours. Managed to catch some really, really good fish. I have one more video from Buffalo Harbor coming at you, and in the next video I actually catch my biggest fish of the trip. So stay tuned for that one. But that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.